Zach is. I'm back once again. This is another do-it-yourself project, and it's on my X5. I was driving my truck, and the carburetor, the light, the warning light, it came on the dash, and it was on the dash for about 16 seconds, and then the light goes off. I didn't think nothing of it because 3 months ago I had to install a brand new battery. I had to run some errands, and I got back in my truck and this happened. No start, so I had to get a jump from my homeboy. So when I got a jump, it started right back up. When I made a complete stop, my X5, it tried to die on me at the stop sign. So I had to hurry up and get to my house. After I got my truck back to the house, I did some diagnostic testing. After I did all the diagnostic testing, I found out I had a bad alternator. I'm going to start my truck up, and I'm going to show y'all what this bad alternator is doing to my truck while it's running. Disregard these other lights, the check engine light and the wind washer light. Okay, that's where it's normally supposed to be at. I want to rev it up. I see how it's idling all the way back up like that. Okay, it ain't supposed to do that. It's supposed to be right between the one and this line here. It should stay in the middle. And see, I don't have my foot on the gas pedal anymore, and it's still there. So it's supposed to idle like quicker than that, and look like it's easing back on up some more. And it's trying, I think it's trying to go back down, but it's still revving up a little bit high, idling up high. And the carburetor light on the dash is still on. Another thing I noticed, when I turn on my headlights, it also idles up, and watch, it'll idle back down a little bit. A bad alternator belt on an alternator wheel can cause an alternator to fail. This is my alternator belt. It's very important that you service these belts, change these belts out, and put some new belts on every 60,000 miles. The alternator belt goes around this wheel that is supporting the alternator. About this alternator wheel. This wheel, the alternator wheel, this thing has to spin when the car is running. It has to spin good. It cannot, the belt, when you put your new belt on here, or put the same one back on, it can't be on here too tight. It has to be on there loose enough for this wheel to spin, because if this thing stops spinning, your car is going to shut off on you. This thing has to spin because it's sending signals to the charging system, and it's from the charging system to the carburetor. That's how your car stays running. Without this wheel, your car's not going to run. This wheel is the backbone to the alternator. There's more of me to come. Subscribe to my channel.